Yes, molweni namgelekile nonke back to Ezitshisa Bay Entertainment. Ama-fans kaSamke and Makhumalo's fans are currently divided up after episode 9 edike apho ke uTatomseleku noMakhumalo bebexabana khona regarding izinto ababezithetha ngobani ke ngoSamke. Of course uMakhumalo is really shocked by indoda yakhe into ba waze wangijikela wemthombeni. Angisazi ke manje noma uright noma kwenzakalani ngengqondo yakho, mhlawumbe usuthola idementia, uyakhohlwa kanti yini vele eyenzakalayo kuwena, because each and everything oye uyikhulume uyayiphika. For example, prime example, uMseleku uthi yena akazikhumbuli nje esithi uMakhumalo akayilethi ivalue kwaMseleku merely because engakwazi ukuletha abantwana, ukumlethela abantwana. Uthi yena nje wayikhuluma about, support and mutual respect, of which everyone is like, tata susikeslaita because nathi zazikhona, and it can't be that all of us in South Africa we are wrong and go wedwa all right. You are currently gaslighting us. Ayikho into enjalo. So uMakhumalo uyamkhumbuza ke uTatomseleku into ba izinto wena oye uzitsho sixabana nge-DNA test, but you are the one kusemnandi sihleli emzini wami and kubonisa i-comment ku social media which was an insinuation that lo mntana lona akhulelwe kuSamke is not yours, ngowenye indoda. Uthi uMakhumalo ndakubonisa i-comment, it was you Tatomseleku, it was you, not anyone else, who then interpreted la comment for mna what it means that abantu, they do not trust that lo mntwana athwele ngoSamke ngowami, but guess what, I will prove them wrong because ngizokwenza ntoni, ndizokwenza i-DNA test irrespective of whether the comment went viral or not. I would still do a DNA test because yi-rule eyachiwo ke ngumamkhulu ekungumacele into ba each and every child ngoku ezozalwa kwaMseleku izokwenziwa i-DNA test to ensure that umntana ngowalapha ke kwaMseleku. Ya understand? Makhumalo is like, I understand uthi, and then listen guys, umntana kaSamke xa ifika ndimbuze kaloku andithi mna ndisame kulanto sasithethe ngayo inoba my man is gonna tell me i-results. Uthi kwajika ukutya eplatini uthi yajika ngami conversation. uTatomseleku was so rude when uMakhumalo asked for the DNA results. Wathi so wena uthi ingane akuyona eyami ngeke uze uyinuke leyo DNA vele ngoba ungisupporti umuntu ozoyithola i-DNA result umacele because umacele supports me. And uMakhumalo is like, when did I say ingane akuyona yakho? Because previously we've spoken about this. There is no way where I insinuated that ingane akuyona yakho. It was the comment, and you were the one who said I will prove them wrong. So that is why ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe unesifo mhlawumbe sokukhohlwa uTatomseleku ndinguMakhumalo, understand. So athi ke uTatomseleku ana kaloku sisi uzokhumbula uMseleku basically is confronting uMakhumalo into ba vele kakade, in actual fact kakade you don't support me. That is the reason as to why ndaxelela into ba you are not going to get those results. Furthermore, results, how were they going to benefit you as uMakhumalo? Because the only reason when I ofuna i-DNA test result is because you want to solve mistrust yakho, insecurities zakho, nothing more. It's not like you really cared about that. The only person ongisapotayo kule ndlela engiyihambayo umacele, and umacele is going to get those DNA test results. uMakhumalo uyasho ukuthi vele ayikho into mina engingibhenefithe. It's all about you. It's always been about you kulo mshado vele. So I don't understand why now uze ungibuza ukuthi ibizongibhenefitha kanjani. But the point that I'm trying to drive home as uMakhumalo is the fact that uwena owangiqalayo about the DNA test. Sengiyabuza ke manje ngenza i-follow up umthombeni ukuthi njengoba sakhuluma laphayana nge-DNA, i-follow up ithini, not that I came up with it. Then ke ngoku kungona ke ngoku uTatomseleku gained more power ukumqonda into ba ana sisi kaloku wena unguMakhumalo and yakwazi wawuke wacho these three musketeers, because uthi nina want to believe that it's the three musketeers nguMayeni Mangwabe noMakhumalo abatshoyo intoba number 1 uMakhwela is dating someone else. Uthi nina phelena niletha amahebezi wokuthi uMakhwela is seeing someone else. Furthermore, uwena Makhumalo who was telling me to leave uSamke ndimyeke. Wangitshela ukuthi don't you think it's a good idea to leave uSamke, of which it's something that uMakhumalo has also revealed to us in the past episode. Intoba wamcebisa intoba you are old, don't you think it would be a good idea for you to just leave everything and just enjoy your life? Nalezi ngane also nazo manje, to which uTata Mseleku wathi no, unfortunately seyikhulelwe, there is no turning back. So that is the only thing that Makhumalo's fans are wanting to believe intoba umhlambe wacho intoba makamyeke uSamke. But as far as doing the smear campaign of intoba uSamke uyajola, uSamke is mischievous, ntontoni past yakhe, uthi naye Makhumalo uyathi intoba why would I tap into someone's past? We all have ama past ethu. I would never do such a thing. So uMakhumalo uyothuka intoba hayi bo bhuti ndayitsho nini mina lonto. Uthi yes kaloku uTata Mseleku wena ucinga ba mna ndizothula. It's okay for you to come and say things ngam utsho then ke ngoku mna funeke ndithule ndingazitsho wena izinto ozitshoyo. To me icameras xa zingekho mna ndipenteke ndidyubhadyubheke as umntu ombi, wena ushiyeke unguMiss Beyonce of the internet. Uthi awuzuyiva ke lonto apha kum. Kutsho bani ke? Kutsho uTata Mseleku kumakho. uTata Mseleku uthi let's come to a conclusion. Wena Makhumalo uthi yonke lento endiyirevileyo apha phambi kwabantu is false. Yonke mna into endiyitshoyo is false ne. Athi Makhumalo, yes, there's a lot. Then she makes a whole lot of examples. Then athi uTata Mseleku, oh okay ndiyakuva lento oyitshoyo, but mina I stand on my word intoba nyani wena uMakhwela wawungamfuni. As a result ndingayi nje kwakho is because ndaqhubeleka noMakhwela. Wandinika i-ultimatum wena intoba if ndiyafuna ukuthi nca apha kuwe manihlukane noMakhwela. As a result usobona uba ndiqhubekile noMakhwela, you did what? You ended up blocking me. Explain to me, why did you block me? Ungakwazi na uchazela abantu ba why did you end up undiblocker, guys? Manke ndithathe i-comments zabantu of how they actually felt about le episode lena. Kukhona ke oyi-1 othi uMakhumalo usile. We cannot just listen to uMakhumalo and always trust her. Abafazi have revealed that uMakhumalo is not who she claims to be on camera. She is acting for the camera. She wants to always act as a saint, but she's not really a saint. So kukhona abathi maske simmamele naye uTata Mseleku, because uTata Mseleku is a wounded, hurt man. You understand? Kukhona ke othi uMakhumalo said those things about Makhwela. It's just that she didn't expect uMthombeni to repeat them. Okay, kukhona ke omnye othi I hate it when people say uMakhumalo uthethe ezi zinto kuMseleku. Njani kodwa last episode uMseleku said uMakhumalo failed to have kids on international TV. Kodwa namhlanje uthi he never said that. Ababoni akananyani lo tata. So those are the people who are siding noTata Mseleku. Kukhona ke othi nanku omnye osayida noMakhumalo uthi kodwa noMangwabe utshilo ukuthi istory saqala ku social media hayi uMseleku unezothe. And the last person uMseleku unamanga. Eqaleni wathi the reason why uThobile ediniwe ingoba wathatha intombazana yangakubo kaThobile. Manje usethi ingoba wathi akamlahle yena wangamlahla. He's just trying by all means ukudicilela uMakhumalo phansi ukuze ezozondwa abantu. Kanjalo ke i-episode, there are people that are divided, that are believing what Makhumalo is saying about Umthombeni. There are those that are believing Umthombeni about what he is saying about Makhumalo. Mandive from you guys, who do you think is telling us the truth between the two lovebirds? Do let me know down on the comments and I will surely see you shortly. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Bye.